how to open up the community chest in Monopoly Go, strategy, tips, and how to get times 50. So first I want to explain that the more you land on these tiles right here that say community chest, the bigger your rewards will be when you open up the community chest in Monopoly Go. So now, as you can see, I have a community chest right here that I can open up because my friends have been active. So if you want to open up your chest, your friends need to be active and you need to interact with people who are on your friends list. So if I just click on open right here, as you can see, it looks like this. So I'm going to tell you my strategy. Of course, there is luck involved in getting times 50. However, there are some things that you can do. You see these little presents? If we land on them, I'm just going to show you what I do. So you just start rolling normally. And as you can see, the first one I get is a present. So if I click on collect, I get an active friend bonus. So now I can select another friend that will give me a present. So that's what I do. If I land on one person that gives me the active friend bonus, then I select another friend that has a present as well. And through this way, if you get lucky, you will get a few open slots for free. So I'm going to do Joanna here, and as you can see, another active friend bonus. So if I click on this friend and I collect it, this time we didn't get lucky. However, it means that we have 3 slots open. So now you just continue rolling as you would normally, and hopefully we get the high reward. If you want to skip the animation, by the way, you can just double click on start. As you can see, it skips it. So now we have times 7 and we need 3 more players. Now, the chances of us getting this are not high. As you can see, we didn't get it this time. So like I said, luck is involved. However, if you want to get times 50, this is the best strategy that you can apply. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.